Hey, what's going on, family? We're going to talk about this article right here from 99 Bitcoins, talking about how the ICP dFinity Foundation may be working with the Swiss bank that could possibly bring this particular market for the ICP internet protocol to see higher prices. Now, apparently, this Swiss bank is pro-technology off of this article. So let's go ahead and look at this real quick. In a major move, the ICP dFinity Foundation is rumored to be working with Sygnum Bank, a Switzerland-based private bank. But what could this mean for Internet Computer and ICP crypto? An investigation into dFinity's early announcement of a collaboration with an unnamed Swiss-based private bank suggests that the financial institution in question could be Sygnum Bank. See, they don't even know who the bank is. It's private. So what do you think that really means in terms of the acceptance of crypto? If dFinity is entering into a partnership with a private wealth bank based in Switzerland, it makes you wonder, are the wealthy trying to get involved? Are they trying to jump onto the train of this crypto bull run right now? Do they now see the value that cryptocurrency is going to bring to the world with its decentralization? In a post on Twitter, one analyst dug deeper into the original March 8th announcement, read into the details, and discovered that Sygnum Bank could be the entity behind ICP dFinity Foundation's DocuTrack. Here's the tweet right here. The bank that dFinity is most likely working with is Sygnum Bank. Sygnum is located in Zurich and holds 64 ICP nodes. They are a private crypto regulated bank with a valuation close to $1 billion. With ISO 20022 compliance from whoever that is, banks like Sygnum will soon adopt ICP. Is that the reason why the market in ICP is going higher? Like since March the 8th, look at where price is. The price on March the 8th when the announcement was made was right around here. Okay, let me put this on the daily chart. This is where the price for ICP was when the announcement came. Price initially went down, but look at where it is now. It's higher. dFinity, the development team behind the Internet Computer Protocol, unveiled a decentralized document sharing application, DocuTrack, the same day on March 8th. The tool, the blockchain developer noted, was done in close partnership with an unnamed but well-established Swiss private bank. DocuTrack. Decentralized. Does that remind you of Filecoin? Isn't that what Filecoin is all about? A decentralized storage application? Well, this is a decentralized document sharing application. So here's why Sygnum Bank might be ICP's dFinity Foundation's new partner. The investigation places Sygnum Bank as a strong candidate for several reasons. Firstly, the private bank operates 64 ICP crypto nodes already and recently showcased its familiarity with concepts like chain key cryptography and smart wallets in recent presentations. So this is where they're getting their pro tech from. The Swiss bank, Sygnum, a pro tech private bank, because this private bank, Sygnum Bank, already operates 64 nodes for ICP. So they're already churning out transactions on the ICP blockchain. And they're already familiar with concepts like chain key cryptography and smart wallets. Apparently, there's no one else within the private banking structure in Switzerland that is talking that way, that is involved with cryptocurrency. Additionally, their ISO 20022 compliance through IC4 Java suggests a potential future adoption of ICP technology. Indeed, IC4 Java already comprises Java open source libraries that provide solutions for Java developers to interact with the Internet Computer Network. So, seems pretty good, doesn't it? In the March 8th announcement, dFinity said DocuTrack aims to change how enterprises share documents. It is also open source, private, and runs on the ICP blockchain. Use case utility. This is what people want to see for the longevity of these crypto projects, of these protocols. If you see the developers of these crypto projects continually creating new ideas for their blockchain, then this is a potential place that they're taking their job seriously, that they're really trying to do things to benefit not only their pockets, but the people who invest in the cryptos, then also the people who will utilize the invention or the development of what they created for their blockchain. ICP is trying to do that. The tool relies on core dFinity solutions like chain key for infinite scalability. At the same time, DocuTrack pays for the resources it consumes, unlike other protocols running on Ethereum, for instance, where users have to pay transaction fees. This collaboration is a positive step for ICP Crypto and dFinity, marking the first step for financial institutions to adopt blockchain technology via a network. So this just goes more into how more traditional finance is jumping on board with the cryptocurrency space, especially with BlackRock and their ETF, Spot Bitcoin ETF, one of the world's largest asset managers. And then they also created a tokenized fund on the Ethereum blockchain. So yeah, wealth is moving. Are you going to participate? Or are you just going to sit back and in the next 10, 15 years, you're going to sit back and wonder, I could have purchased one of these cryptocurrencies that these wealth institutions are just completely running towards. Let's talk about ICP real quick. You guys can see from our last video in ICP, which was on the 3rd of February, we was looking for the price to go up, and it did. And one of the best things that I liked since we did this price prediction was noticing how the market in ICP came and held our buy zone. See, this stuff is not a coincidence. It's done on purpose. That's how we was able to draw this buy zone, because we saw buyers holding the price there around 11 bucks. And they did it on the 20th of February. And then the price went up to our ultimate TP price. So let me just scroll this down just a little bit. And then you can see the market hit our ultimate area TP on the 5th of March, 22.86%. And not only that, the market in ICP came back down towards that buy zone, and it bounced from there again. So we at least had like 2 opportunities to get 23% out the market. 2. So yeah, this is not something made up. This happens all the time in all markets, to where you can see where people are actually doing the majority of the selling and where people are potentially coming in and trying to buy, and it doesn't take no indicators. All right, so let's get rid of this. Well, we hold these 2 buy zones because they're still valid. We'll get rid of this sell zone here. We'll get rid of that sell zone, and now we can get rid of this one. So it just shows you how strong this particular trend is into the market in ICP. Let me scroll over here on the daily to see if we have any more sell zones outside of what we already had this other one. So yeah, it looked like the market may try to run up to like 2250. Okay, so let me put this one on next. We'll go ahead and create this one as a sell zone 2. All right, so let's bring it back. I want to switch this to a longer time frame because we're definitely seeing the price overextended in ICP. That's a 2-day chart. Still got that indication of strength there. Here it is on the 3. We have 13 hours left, but you can see the indicator triggered. The only problem I don't like is seeing where the price is closing at now. Now, if we see this close up here towards the high of the bar, this market definitely is bullish in ICP. Here it is on the 5. Very, very strong right there. Very strong. This 1 5-day bar has encompassed all of these other 5-day bars, where the market was just merely consolidating in 1 5-day. Think about that. Okay. Here it is on the weekly. 2 weeks. 3. ICP on the 5 looks pretty bullish on the 5 too right now. Here it is on the monthly, since we got a couple more days left. Still looks bullish there too. So I'm gonna have to look for price trying to aim up here towards our next sell zone. So I'm gonna put this on the chart. Our target is going to be here at this sell zone, either at the low, in the middle, or at the high. Okay, one of these areas. At the high, it gives us around 23% move again. Now, let me create a buy zone though. We don't want to see the market in ICP to fall below this zone. Okay, so that's our newest buy zone there. Yeah, I don't want to see it fall no lower than that. Okay, so we'll put that there. Expect some volatility. I mean, we already seen the market in the last, what, 8 days, 9 days. Look at how much the market has already moved in ICP. Let's take it from the close here to the high of today. It's already been up 62%. So, I mean, expect some people to try to come in and take some profit out the market in ICP from that round. But I still think from the longer term chart that the market may try to continue to up its movement towards this sell zone up here. But we'll see. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.